Welcome back to the Knowledge Hub. After exploring some of the wildest facts in the animal kingdom in Part 1, we're here with Part 2. And trust us, these new facts are even more mind-blowing. So, if you're ready for another round of incredible discoveries, let's jump right in and see just how amazing the animal world can be. Fact 21. The long-distance migration of monarch butterflies. Monarch butterflies are renowned for their incredible migration, covering up to 3,000 miles from North America to central Mexico each year. What's even more astounding is that no single butterfly makes the entire round trip. Instead, the journey spans multiple generations. Monarchs that head south in the fall enter a state of diapause, suspending reproduction and conserving energy. When they reach Mexico, they roost in large colonies, covering trees like living blankets. In the spring, new generations begin the return journey north, with some butterflies making it as far as Canada. Fact 22. The memory of squirrels. Squirrels are famous for their habit of burying nuts and seeds, but what's truly remarkable is their memory. They can remember the locations of hundreds of food caches spread over large areas, even months later. Research has shown that squirrels use spatial memory and landmarks to locate their buried treasures. This skill helps them survive through harsh winters when food is scarce. If a squirrel can't find its own hidden cache, it will sometimes steal from another squirrel's stash, relying on sharp observational skills. Fact 23. The underwater architects. Beavers. Beavers are nature's master builders. Using mud, sticks, and branches, they construct elaborate dams in rivers and streams to create ponds, which serve as protective habitats for their lodges. These lodges are often built in the middle of the water and have underwater entrances, providing safety from predators. Beavers are not only skilled architects, but also environmental engineers. Their dams help prevent soil erosion, reduce flooding, and create wetlands that support a rich diversity of wildlife. A single beaver can cut down hundreds of trees each year to maintain and expand its living space. Fact 24. The echolocation skills of bats. Bats are the only mammals that can truly fly, and they use echolocation to navigate and hunt in the dark. By emitting high-frequency sounds and listening to the returning echoes, bats create a mental map of their surroundings. This allows them to detect objects, locate prey, and avoid obstacles with impressive accuracy. Some bats, like the Mexican free-tailed bat, can catch up to 1,000 insects in one night, making them one of the most efficient nocturnal hunters in the animal kingdom. Fact 25. The deep diving ability of sperm whales. Sperm whales are the world's deepest diving mammals, plunging as far as 7,000 feet, 2,100 meters, below the ocean's surface. These dives can last over an hour as they search for their favorite prey. Giant squid. Sperm whales have several adaptations that make these deep dives possible, including a flexible rib cage that collapses under pressure and the ability to store large amounts of oxygen in their muscles. Their brain is also the largest of any animal on Earth, weighing around 17 pounds, contributing to their complex social structures and communication skills. Fact 26. The communication skills of prairie dogs. Prairie dogs, small burrowing rodents found in North America, have one of the most complex vocal communication systems in the animal kingdom. Their calls include specific sounds that describe predators in detail. For example, they can distinguish between a coyote and a hawk and even describe the predator's size, speed, and color. Prairie dogs live in large colonies and use this intricate communication system to warn each other of threats. Their language is so advanced that researchers believe they may have the ability to create new words for unfamiliar objects or predators. Fact 27. The unique reproduction of seahorses. In the world of seahorses,
It's the males that get pregnant and give birth. During mating, the female transfers her eggs to the male's brood pouch, where he fertilizes them. The male seahorse carries the eggs for about 2 to 4 weeks until they hatch, after which he gives birth to live baby seahorses, sometimes hundreds at a time. Seahorses are also known for their monogamous relationships, often mating for life. The male's role in reproduction is one of the most unique examples of parental care in the animal kingdom.
Fact 28. The invisibility cloak of the glass frog. Glass frogs, found in Central and South America, have translucent skin that makes their bodies nearly invisible against leaves and other green backgrounds. You can actually see some of their organs through their skin. This natural invisibility cloak serves as excellent camouflage, helping them avoid predators. During the day, glass frogs hide on the undersides of leaves, blending in with their surroundings to stay safe. Their unique transparency is one of nature's cleverest tricks for survival in the rainforest.
Fact 29. The speed and agility of the peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon holds the title of the fastest bird and the fastest animal on the planet. In a hunting dive, known as a stoop, it can reach speeds of over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour. This incredible speed allows the falcon to catch birds mid-flight, its primary source of food. Peregrine falcons are also known for their sharp eyesight, which is 8 times more powerful than that of a human. This combination of speed and vision makes them incredibly efficient hunters, able to spot prey from great distances and strike with deadly precision. Fact 30. The super sense of smell in dogs. Dogs have an extraordinary sense of smell, thanks to having up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to just 6 million in humans. This gives dogs a sense of smell that is 10,000 to 100,000 times more sensitive than ours. Their noses are so finely tuned that they can detect specific scents in parts per trillion, allowing them to sniff out everything from explosives and drugs to medical conditions like cancer and diabetes. Dogs can even track the direction of a scent based on the time it takes for the smell to reach each nostril. Fact 31. The honeybee's complex dance communication. Honeybees have developed a unique method of communication known as the waggle dance. When a worker bee finds a good source of nectar or pollen, it returns to the hive and performs a dance that conveys the direction and distance of the food source relative to the sun's position. The dance involves specific movements, including figure-8 patterns, and the duration of the waggle phase indicates the distance. This intricate form of communication is crucial for the survival of the hive, allowing bees to efficiently locate food sources miles away.
Fact 32. The sunbathing strategy of alligators. Alligators are ectothermic, so they rely on external heat to regulate their body temperature. To warm up, they bask in the sun along riverbanks, sometimes with their mouths open to release excess heat. In colder weather, alligators slow their metabolism and enter a state called brumation, allowing them to survive even when temperatures drop. This unique adaptability helps alligators thrive in various climates across North America.
Fact 33. The electrical power of the electric eel. The electric eel, native to South America, is capable of generating powerful electric shocks of up to 600 volts. These shocks are used for both hunting and defense, stunning or killing prey like fish, frogs, and small mammals. The electric eel has specialized cells called electrocytes that store and release electricity in a manner similar to a battery. Even more impressive, they use electric fields to navigate and communicate in the murky, low-visibility waters of the Amazon River basin. Despite its name, the electric eel is actually a species of knife fish, not a true eel. Fact 34. The monogamy of penguins. Many species of penguins are known for their strong monogamous bonds, often returning to the same partner each breeding season. Emperor penguins, for example, endure harsh Antarctic winters, taking turns incubating their eggs while the other parent hunts for food. Their bonds are so strong that after months apart, penguin couples are able to recognize each other by their unique vocalizations. This fidelity, combined with their coordinated parenting, increases the survival chances of their offspring in one of the world's most extreme environments.
Fact 35. The powerful kick of an ostrich. Ostriches, the largest and fastest running birds, have an incredibly powerful kick that serves as their main defense against predators. With their strong legs, an ostrich's kick can deliver enough force to seriously injure or even kill a lion. These birds have two sharp claws on each foot, which they use to strike with precision. When threatened, an ostrich will stand its ground, using its impressive kick to defend itself rather than flee. This makes ostriches some of the most formidable birds on land, capable of fending off large predators despite being flightless. Fact 36. The regenerating limbs of the axolotl. The axolotl, a unique salamander native to Mexico, has the incredible ability to regenerate entire limbs, spinal cord segments, parts of its heart, and even parts of its brain. Unlike most animals, which form scar tissue over wounds, the axolotl's cells can revert to a stem cell-like state and rebuild the lost body part completely. This regeneration process fascinates scientists, who study axolotls to unlock secrets about tissue regeneration and healing in humans. The axolotl's regenerative powers make it one of the most remarkable creatures in the animal kingdom.
Fact 37. The echidna's remarkable electroreception. Echidnas, also known as spiny anteaters, are one of only a few mammals capable of electroreception, the ability to detect electrical signals from other living organisms. They use this ability to locate prey, such as worms and insects, hidden underground. Echidnas belong to the monotreme group, which also includes the platypus, and are unique in that they lay eggs like reptiles. Their electroreception is most effective in wet environments, as moisture enhances the transmission of electrical signals, making them superb hunters in challenging conditions. Fact 38. The strength of the harpy eagle. The harpy eagle is one of the most powerful birds of prey, with talons as large as a grizzly bear's claws and a grip strong enough to crush bones. Native to Central and South America, this massive raptor preys on animals like monkeys, sloths, and large birds. Its strong wings and agility allow it to maneuver through dense rainforests in pursuit of its prey. Despite its fearsome strength, the harpy eagle faces habitat loss and is considered near threatened in the wild.
Fact 39. The magnetic sense of migratory birds. Migratory birds, like the European robin, can sense the Earth's magnetic field through specialized cells in their eyes, helping them navigate thousands of miles with precision. They use this magnetic sense along with visual cues to find their way during migration, making bird migration one of the most impressive natural feats. Fact 40. The fearless honey badger. The honey badger is known for its fearlessness, often taking on much larger predators like lions and venomous snakes. Its thick skin protects it from bites, and its tenacity allows it to fight off or steal food from bigger animals. With a remarkable resistance to venom, it can even survive snake bites while attacking them for a meal.
The animal kingdom is full of wonders, and we've just scratched the surface of all the amazing creatures on our planet. If you enjoyed these fascinating facts, don't forget to subscribe to the Knowledge Hub and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the natural world.